Welcome back. It's 8:25 with more ways than ever to adopt a dog. There's some key points that new owners need to know about. Here to tell us about some of those laws about owning a dog is attorney Tom Sinus and his newest, cutest member of his family. Who do you have there with you this morning?
Well, hey, Brody. I'm here with the newest member of our family. This is a little Chihuahua mix named Odie. And we, like many families around the state and the country, adopted this little guy right before all of the shutdown orders went into place. I think, at least for us, and I think for others, it's certainly been one of the bright sides of the struggles of the last few months to welcome someone like this to our family. But as you said in your lead-in, it does remind us that there are a few legal rules we need to follow.
For sure. So tying in that with coronavirus, and because so many people like you and your family have taken in a dog, can you kind of remind us of some of those basic rules that new dog owners should be aware of?
Absolutely. So some of the most basic, we have a state law that's been around for a very long time that requires both leashing of dogs and licensing of dogs. And you can obtain a dog license even in the midst of coronavirus. So under state law, any dog older than 6 months needs to be licensed. Any dog out in public needs to be on a leash, and dogs need to have, like this little guy, needs to have a collar with their appropriate tag on the collar. So those are some of the basic rules. In your local municipality, there may be some different rules. Like in Grand Rapids, for example, dogs are supposed to be on leashes that are 6 feet or less. And then there are, of course, some insurance rules. One of the most practical things to do is to contact your homeowner's insurer if you do what we did and you adopt one of these little dogs here, or big dogs, during the coronavirus crisis, because your homeowner's insurer won't know unless you tell them. And it matters because under Michigan law, dog owners have what's called strict liability in the unfortunate incident of a dog bite. That means that the dog owner is liable if the dog, heaven forbid, bites someone else. And it doesn't matter whether the homeowner knew that the dog had any tendencies towards biting before the incident. It means that if there is an incident, the dog owner is liable. Again, hopefully that won't happen, but don't leave yourself exposed. Do what I did. Call your insurance agent and let them know if you've done what we've done, that you've got a new member of your family.
Very good. Now, your newest member of your family, completely adorable. Where can people find more information when it comes to insurance and being liable for your pet?
So they can contact us online. They can go to our website at www.sinusdramus.com. They can give us a call. We're working remotely, but our phones are all forwarded. Give us a call in West Michigan at 616-301-3333, or shoot us an email at info@sinusdramus.com.
Tom, I got to be honest with you. I'm one of those people who's thinking about adding another dog to the family. Do you have any last-minute tips for me before I dive into that process right now?
Well, it's not a legal one. I can tell you that, we've all been struggling during this with companionship and connection. And I can just say from the perspective of our family, this little guy here has given us a whole deeper level of connection with each other and with him. And I have 2 little kids at home, and they've been bugging me for a dog for years. And so this was sort of the perfect time because we've all been able to spend a lot of time with him and with each other. So if you're on the fence, I say go for it.
Tom Sinus, very versatile, very informative. Thank you very much for your time.
Thanks, Brody.
It's 8:29. We'll see you after the break.